All right. From the few pictures, we got this thing in that raw, cold rolled steel or whatever they want to call it. And we got this rust grip down as the primer. Now we're gonna go ahead and spray this thing black with the PSX 700 line. And yeah. See, this is the stuff I like. I like the custom stuff. I get bored of doing the same old daily stuff over and over again, but this is fun. All right, I'll take a look at it once I got it blacked. And here it is blacked out. About 3.5, 4 hours later. There is some touch-ups that have to be done, but the downside about this rust grip is primer. It doesn't like having anything on top of it. But company swears up and down it's going to work, so we'll see. All you can do is what you can do, right? Cool.